In the South Texas border town of Laredo sits the old Mercy Hospital. It was opened in 1954 by the nuns of the Sisters of Mercy. And for some reason, the hospital shut down in 1999, and no one really knows why. But locals will tell you one thing is for sure: this hospital is absolutely haunted. They say that even from the outside, you can hear doors slamming in the abandoned hospital. Many people report seeing the ghostly silhouettes of nuns in the windows. And those that have been brave enough to enter say they hear whispers in these stairwells. Many orbs have been caught on film inside. And check out this footage of what seems to be a mist flying down the hallway just before the door opens on its own. People who used to work in this hospital say it was haunted even before it was abandoned. Patients would see nuns haunting their rooms at night. And call buttons would constantly be set off in rooms that were vacant. The photos you just saw are actual pictures of what seems to be a patient in a hospital gown.